you guys. This is Kaylee McLaughlin here with Hot Off the Desk, and I just wanted to share with you a little tidbit that kind of took my writing classroom and just transformed it. And so I wanted to share with you, but wait, before you do that, hit the subscribe button down here, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share it, share with your teacher friends because they deserve to know some things that work too. So whiteboard messages. Okay, these things, y'all, these things are amazing. You've probably seen them on Pinterest or Facebook maybe, but Pinterest for sure. They're messages that you put on the whiteboard, and they kind of have like a funny or a nifty little tag or saying. So for example, make a change Monday. What would you do Wednesday? So a lot of it is kind of like hashtag Moody Monday, and then you have a question after that. And a lot of people do beautiful drawings to go with it. I'm not an artist. I wish I was, but I still draw like a little bit. I make my kids hold up their right hand and say, I solemnly swear that I will not make fun of Miss McLaughlin's artwork. They love it. It's funny to them. They make fun of me anyways, but it's still fun. So I would put these on the board, and so what I have kind of created for myself, and I kind of wanted to share with you guys, is a compilation of 142 whiteboard message prompts. So it's right here for you. Write it up on the board. Get your kids, get a pen, a colored pen, right up on the board. And what I would tell my kids is you have 3 minutes. I would do 2 or 3 minutes to start, and I would say, I'm gonna start my timer, and I want you to read the prompt, and I want you to write as much as you can about the prompt. And so they would write. And this is when I taught 4th grade writing, in which in Texas it was tested. And so this is what I started with that got them just kind of to open up and to just get out of their shell, and they would write. And a lot of times I would have to pull teeth from some kids just to get them to write. But these whiteboard messages, y'all, it did the trick. Like, it really did the trick. So I still teach writing this year, and I haven't used my whiteboard messages for writing yet. But what I've also used them for this year is we do restorative practices, and so we sit in a circle each morning. It's part of our morning meeting, and so I use these prompts to get kids to share a little bit about themselves with me. And so I'll do the same thing. I will display it on my Promethean, or I can draw it on the board, and I'll just tell them, all right, you guys, it's Mission Monday. Tell me one way that you want to change the world. And so then I get to go around, and every kid gets the talking piece, and they get to tell me a little bit about what they want to do to change the world. And so you can use this as a great writing prompt piece, or you can use it just to get to know your kids, kind of as a part of circle time or morning work. So it's your choice, it's up to you. But I would strongly suggest trying these. If this doesn't give you enough information, you could just go to Pinterest and type in whiteboard messages, and you will find a whole slew of ideas, with beautiful artwork to go with it too. So if you have any ideas, leave it in the comments below. Share it with us. Let me know. I'd love to hear from you. All right, you guys have a great day.